Okay, so here we are with Johnathan. Johnathan did a MaxHarvest hair transplant procedure with us about 3 years ago. He was a very young man when he did the procedure. He was about 20 years old. So being so young and having hair loss, was it hard for you to, socially or as far as dating or things of that nature?
It was all the above. It was something that mentally bothered me from time to time. So it was, yes. Difficult.
And you did a procedure with us 3 years ago.
Yes.
And you're doing all of your preventative treatments.
That's right.
You're on Propecia, you're on Rogaine, you're doing the laser comb.
That's right.
You're doing everything you're supposed to be doing. And are you happy with the results we did for you?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
I really am.
And has it changed your life?
It really has.
Okay.
Over the years.
And so it's giving you more confidence with everything as far as work, as far as socially?
Confidence, happiness, basically everything that I do today is because of the procedure.
Awesome. Okay. And one of the things that you were talking to Josh about is you saw a doctor afterwards. And he was saying that, well, he doesn't recommend doing procedures on young men such as yourself, and he wouldn't have done it. Is that right?
That's basically it, yes.
Okay. So this is we hear this a lot. Doctors will say, oh, we're not going to do surgeries on guys under 30 years old. And as I was telling you, I couldn't disagree more. If something bothers you, fix it. Why would we want you to be, right now you'd be bald pretty much in this whole half if we didn't do your procedure.
Right.
And so why would you want to be bald now?
No, absolutely not.
So how would that make any sense? So my advice is if something bothers you, fix it. It's as simple as that. And so I'm a big proponent of that. And I have no problem. I do surgeries, as I was telling you, on kids in high school because they're losing their hair. They've lost their confidence. They lose their self-worth. They don't want to be with their friends. They don't want to go out. And so what, I should make them wait 10 years before I fix it? It doesn't make any sense. So anyways, I think you look amazing. Let me show the camera what we did here. So basically what we did is we did the MaxHarvest hair transplant procedure where we completely recreated his entire hairline, the entire way around, soft little one hair grafts all the way through with the little smaller follicular units behind it. Then we did the density grafts behind that. As you can see, it just completely reframed his entire face. You'll see with the before pictures, and just totally reshaped his face. We went through to about the mid-vertex, and basically he's on the preventative treatments to stabilize the back, and then this way, sometime in the future when he does another procedure, what we're going to do is just go through and then fill him in. I'm going to show off your suture line. I haven't seen this yet, so let's kind of take a look at the suture line. Any problems with the healing process?
No, none whatsoever.
So, the suture line. So, you see this little line here? That's the suture line. Yeah, let's kind of take that all the way through. Right there. And I know a lot of people are watching these videos, and we always talk about an FUE, a follicular unit extraction, and why we are not proponents of them, because we can't move as much hair. And this is undetectable. I mean, he could cut his hair short without any problems.
Can you show me crease as well, comparison, because a lot of people,
okay, so
they're
this
really
is
finicky.
This is an area that's not transplanted.
Okay.
Okay. This is transplant.
Okay.
See it?
Yeah. Looks pretty similar.
Okay. So, anyways, how was the healing process for you? Any problems with the healing process?
No, not that I know of. Honestly, there wasn't any healing, any bother. It wasn't really hurting me whatsoever.
Any swelling, anything unusual? Do you remember that?
On the third day, there was some swelling, but not as much.
No big deal.
Yeah.
And how about the procedure itself? Do you remember having any pain or anything?
No, there was no pain at all.
Easy stuff?
Yep.
All right. What would you say to a young man who was in your situation? What would you tell him to do?
Do it now while you still can.
All right, man. Well, thanks for being a good sport and doing the videos. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
And congratulations. It looks amazing.